This release is for the Latissimus Dorsi. This muscle starts from the upper inner arm, wraps around the ribs, and runs from the middle of the back down to the pelvis and sacrum. You will want to place the roller on your side below your armpit. You want to align the roller perpendicular to your body on the level of the lower portion of your pecs, or for women, on the bra strap line. You will be side lying on the roller on the floor while supporting your head with your hand. From there, you would want to rotate a little forward and back, trying to find the most sensitive spot. Once found, you could stop and hold on that sensitive spot, or you could rock a little to get a kneading action for 1 minute.